Of course, when you cook a omelette, you're gonna need the main ingredients, eggs. So this eggs is pre-arranged. So it means they didn't put any chemicals on the chicken. Guys, good morning, good morning. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna cook fried eggs. Scrambled fried eggs, but because we're using a Saladmaster cookware, EOC, electric oil skillet, so we're not going to use any oil. As you can see, it's clear, nothing in it. Or I'm just heating up, or see, it's clean. So to make sure that it's really clean, I'm wiping it. See? Nothing in it, guys. And then we're gonna start the cooking. So first, the eggs. And heating up the cookware Saladmaster, it's in the 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna make it 350. So 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then this is the 2 eggs with hemp seeds, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. So I mix them all, and dried parsley, and also sun-dried radish leaves. And this is the onions, arugula, and carrots. So to be healthy, that's why we're making these things here. So let's start. Put all this here. So you have to heat up, guys, the cookware so it doesn't stick. Do like that. So it's gonna be a big omelette. There you go. And then we're gonna put this in the middle. And of course, we have to close the lid. And just wait for about 5 minutes to be cooked. So you don't have to flip up, just leave it cook. That's why we close the lid. So we didn't use any oil on that cookware. This is a Saladmaster EOC electric oil skillet. So when you are cooking in Saladmaster cookware, you don't have to keep opening it to flip up. Just leave it until it's cooked. When it's cooked, after 5 minutes, it's ready. You can just turn it off, and then your omelette is, vegetables omelette is done. See, guys? So it's 300, oh, it's 330 now. So it's clicking now, the vapor bulb. It means it's cooked already, guys. So I cook it only for 330 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook from 300 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit if you are doing a fried egg. So not even 5 minutes, guys. It's only 3 minutes. So it's cooked already. When it's clicking, it means it's cooked already. So let's see. There you go. Oh wow, it's really cooked. See, guys? And then you just gonna do like that. Fold and both sides, and then Put the plate. And then put the lid again. Turn it off because we're gonna flip up in the plate. So let's do the flipping. Okay, it's easy guys. So you don't break the eggs. There you go. Done. See? The cookware is still very clean. Nothing on it. No dirt. So you can cook as many times as long day. All. And it never get dirty because we don't use any oil on it. So it's very healthy cookware. The best cookware in the world is Saladmaster cookware. See guys, it eliminates all the toxins in your food while you are cooking in Saladmaster. So this is the best cookware and it's very healthy. It makes you healthy, your body, when you have a Saladmaster cookware. And before I forget, this is a 316 titanium stainless steel cookware. And now, here you go. My breakfast. Omelette. O, diba? Bon appetit. Sarap ng amoy. Tikman na natin. Kamayin ko na. It's very healthy, guys. See? It's half cooked, all the vegetables inside, and it's so good. It's so yummy. This is the best breakfast. Very healthy, complete, nutrients in it. I put parsley, dried sun-dried radish leaves, rich in iron, and parsley is good for your, joint. Carrots, lycopene, and the other green stuff are arugula, mix arugula and radish leaves fresh. So, and onions. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, hypes, shares my videos so that the other people can learn how to prepare their food healthy, frying without using oil. So thank you guys. I really appreciate it for watching my videos. Thank you. God bless us all. Thank you.